The face you make when your hair needs to be done and you're the one who has to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you all how I went from these frizzy, tangled up curls to this luscious, juicy wash and go type of look. Now my hair is on a wig, so I went ahead and took it off just to make this process a bit easier, but the process should be the same, wig or not. As you can see, my hair has been needing some love for quite a while now, so it's going to take some time and patience to get it looking its best again. The very first thing I do is get the hair completely saturated with warm water, and I'm finger detangling as I do this. Next, I'm going to take a conditioner that has enough slip that I know that I can detangle with, and today I'm using TGIN's Honey Miracle Hair Mask. It does not have to be this conditioner, guys. I'm just using it because my hair didn't really like it and I didn't feel like taking it back. But as you can see, I'm using a very generous amount, so use a product that you're comfortable with. With the hair still damp, I'm just working in the product and making sure I coat each strand. Doing some finger detangling here as well, and here is where you will notice your shedding. And I'm also going to go in with a wide tooth comb just to be very thorough. You want the hair to be as tangle free as possible because that is how you will get the best results. Like I said, this process does require a lot of patience. Also, make sure you're working ends to root. Here's the hair fully detangled. Now go ahead and rinse that out. Again, I'm using warm water. Now, I know some people are going to come at me for this, but I do not care. Go ahead and dry your hair, whether you're using a towel, a microfiber cloth, or a t-shirt, whatever works for you. Then go ahead and plop your wig onto the wig block. After fighting with it, of course. If the hair is coming out of your scalp, then obviously you get to skip this step. Next, choose your gel or any kind of holding product of your choice. Here I'm using WIG, the Curly Curl Jello. With that, we're going to start defining our curls. You could use a leave-in conditioner in between these steps if you'd like. I just prefer to use as little product as possible. I notice I get less buildup and less flakes that way. Notice I'm focusing more on the outer layer of curls. This is how I get more volume. I like bigger hair, as you all should know by now. If you don't like big hair, go ahead and make sure you're focusing in on the under layer as well. Once you're done with that, go ahead and shake them out or use a diffuser. I'm going to go ahead and let this air dry overnight. I was trying to be cute with this transition, but as you can see, my camera is trifling, so cut to the next clip. Here we are the next day. The curls are dry and beautifully defined. I am loving it. So now is when you can go in with your pick and or fingers and fluff the hair out a bit. Unless you prefer a more defined and polished look, then don't do this. And that is it, you guys. I am ready to take on the next week or 3 or 4. This style should last you a while depending on your nightly maintenance and depending on how much frizz you can stand. Personally, I love it. The bigger, the better. So around day 3 is when I'm really going to be feeling this hair. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.